the most secure you can get on your handlebars. And that's thanks to this U-bolt design. And again, just a solid quality, made from high strength aluminum alloy. And so you take this U-bolt off, you put it around your handlebars or some type of bar, and depending on what size it is, they do offer some extra attachments to fit it better. And then you can use the wrench that it comes with, and you can tighten that thing down so that it won't move at all. On top of that, you have a single wing nut to make angle adjustments. And what's really cool about this wing nut is that you loosen it and you can adjust the angle here, and then you can loosen it a little bit more, and now you can actually swivel it around. So that way you can get the perfect angle that you're looking for. On top of that, you have your quarter thread mount with a little dial so you can easily put your camera on top of it, or you can put their CapLock system on top of there. That way you can quickly put your camera on and take it off just like that, and you can lock it in place, and that is the CapLock system. And again, just the highest quality and perfect for anything that's gonna have like a lot of vibration to it, that's gonna be moving around a lot. You want something very secure. This is gonna be the most secure thing for it.
Now.